cool. And now run. Infestation. Not really, there's not really that many. There's only like, I've had like maybe like a handful of ticks. I've seen 2. I just don't like them and I want them all to die. If that means that I have to completely clean out my entire trailer, so be it, guys. Also, it provides me up to 4 months of protection against a whole bunch of other insects, you know, cockroaches, bugs, flies, all that stuff. They'll all just like kind of like be repelled from this area. I'm kind of looking forward to that because there's just been like, oh look, there's like a little bug, and I'm like, ew, no thank you. So looking forward to this, guys. I'm gonna be basically just touching up the last couple things, you know, pulling off the sheets, throw those all in the washer and then in the dryer while I'm waiting. Great progress so far, guys. We have about half of the dishes done, so I'm just gonna basically finish wrapping up the dishes, and then what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off the top down comforter because that's brand new. That thing is completely fine. And then I'm gonna leave the other sheets on the bed, and then what I'm gonna do, because they're all white, I'm going to set off the bomb, boom, everything fogs up, and then I'm gonna take the white sheets and I'm gonna throw it in the washer and the dryer. And the reason why I'm not doing this before I fog it is because then I have to cover up the mattress or something. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna make sure that this door is closed because that area doesn't need it. The bedding is fine over there, it's fine. I don't really need that for anything. And then everything else is gonna be open, and so it's really just the main area, and the bedroom is just gonna kind of just settle in and everything will be great. Tomorrow morning I'm just gonna Lysol everything, clean off the counters and the floors and everything. And I also have to make sure to remove Raven's food and water dish because that would be something that would definitely get contaminated. Alrighty, guys, just closing up the windows now. You have to close up all windows and open all drawers that you want to be affected. Anything that you don't want to be, you leave closed. Cool, that's closed. I think this is the last thing. Okay, with everything closed, guys, I am purposely leaving the lights on so that I can see everything just for a second. This is flammable stuff, especially when exposed to everything. So what I'm literally gonna do is I am going to turn off everything and I'm gonna just unplug the trailer. Boom. Once everything's unplugged, quickly come in here, shake this up, and then I'm gonna just release the thing. Oh, hello, Raven. Now, next thing to do is unplug the trailer. As you guys saw, there's a loss of power right there. All the stuff is out, and then come in here. You're gonna shake the can well. Break the tab, and then push down and run. And now run!
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Everything is getting fogged up now, guys. As you guys saw, just pull back, boom, run. Everything is unplugged, so there's not going to be an explosion or anything. And I guess we'll have to check back on it in 2.5 hours. It says 2 hours, but I'm going to wait 2.5 just to make sure everything really settles.
2 hours later.
2 hours have gone by. Now it's time to plug back in the trailer, open up these windows, and turn on the fans. Before I plug that in, I'm going to double check there's nothing inside. That would be bad. There you go, guys. All the windows are open, so now I'm just gonna wait probably like another 2 hours or something and let it all air out.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this.